an assault charge can ruin your life. Like the skull and crossbones on a can or the Mr. Yuck sticker, an assault charge on your criminal background tells everyone to be aware and stay away. Assault charges are serious not only because of the penalties they carry, but because of the consequences from the social stigma that are attached to violent criminals. Make no mistake about it, even a simple assault conviction will be grounds for many people to judge and label you as violent. Assault charge penalties. Even a simple assault carries the possibility of jail time. This is not a minor charge. Depending on the details of the charge, your maximum prison sentence can be 1, 2, or even 5 years. That is reason enough to fight these charges. Imprisonment means losing your freedom, time away from your family and work. On top of prison, you may be ordered to pay fines, court fees, and restitution. You will have an assault charge on your criminal record. The end of your prison time does not mean this nightmare is over. In fact, in many ways, it has just begun. Having an assault on your criminal record can trigger many consequences you may not have thought of. Consider this, there are now tons of apps and websites which allow anyone to access your criminal record instantly. When a potential employer, friend, significant other, or neighbor sees your assault conviction, they will label you as violent. Now ask yourself, what employer looks to hire a violent person? Who wants to date a violent person? Who wants to live near a violent person? Things get even worse if you are convicted of a sex offense and have to register in the sex offenders registry. Do you want your name showing up on sites like Family Watchdog? An assault conviction can have major effects on your employment. Imagine getting convicted of a violent crime. Serving jail time means you can't go to work, which puts your current job in jeopardy. Do you think your company is going to sit around waiting for you to get out of jail? Even when you get out, do you think they would want anything to do with a violent offender? If you hold a professional license, that license is in serious jeopardy. Your licensing body has rules in place governing criminal conduct. Depending on the severity of your charges and your criminal history, you may lose your license and everything you worked so hard for. Your life can quickly spiral out of control. If you are not able to get a meaningful job, you are already going to be financially strapped. On top of that, you can expect to have to pay fines, court fees, and high rates for insurance. It gets worse if the victim sues you for damages. Bills start piling up. Interests start accumulating. Your credit score plummets. These are all very real consequences that violent offenders face every day. There is hope. While these charges are very serious, there is hope. A charge is not an automatic conviction, especially if you choose the right attorney to handle your case. At the McShane firm, we have a unique way of defending assault cases. First off, we understand that the police often don't investigate the facts properly and end up slapping charges on people, even if you were defending yourself. Just because you are a man, or are bigger, or didn't sustain injuries doesn't mean that you started the incident. Secondly, at the McShane firm, we are the science attorneys. We are highly trained in forensic science and know how to challenge the evidence collected by the government. This is a key reason why we are different from other law firms. Don't let an assault charge, or worse yet, an assault conviction rob you of your freedom for years to come. Call the McShane firm now at 717-657-3900 for your free case consultation. Our experienced attorneys will help you plan out a course of action to fight these charges.